welcome. This is my new house. May not look much aside. First, you open, and you step on this identity badge. Go in, step right here. It'll close, or if you wanna go out. Anyways, there's a little camera. Oh wait, sorry, I'm not finished. I guess I thought it was finished. Okay, then all that camera. This is actually my bedroom, and I'm not done yet. But look, 2 chests, God, apples, withers, this, and another security camera. By the way, they're named because they're actually totally not zombies. And this one to follow you around. Look at you, look at creeps. Creepy. And I totally did just get these ideas from other YouTubers. Nope, this I would never. No, that's just totally wrong. It's not like I would secretly have camera 1 stationed right here and camera 2 right here. No. Those cameras, no, I would never. And that door over there, there's no command blocks into that. Wait, did I actually break a command block? No. I don't think I did. There's not. How did you get in here? Totally not at all. Wait, but I actually gotta see. Does that door work now still? Yeah, okay, so it still works. Let me show you actually how though, if I go, wait, matching, there, I go under, say it's not looking for me, it's looking for Jelly 8080. I don't know who that is, but for someone named Jelly 8080. And now I come in and try to get in. Access denied, leave or die. Okay, no thanks. Oh wait, I'm in creative mode. Okay, let me just fix this. Come back out. Survival mode. Okay, let's say we're going. It's not leave or die. Nah, I want to get in. It literally kills you. And actually my spawn points are here, so it's not actually doing anything because it will literally kill you if you try to break anything, so that's a good part. So wait, let me change it back to me. I don't want to die every time. 1. And now it should work for me. So it took forever to watch these commands be done. Make these commands be done. Totally watch them off YouTube, out of YouTube videos. No. Never. By the way, if you do want to make this, just go on YouTube and search up a security door. A guy called whatever his name is, but go subscribe to him. By the way, let's continue. What was it? What we were gonna do? Oh yeah, get wood. god. Shit. So that's security cameras right there. So right now, this is basically just to actually show you, but so, by the way, I don't know if you're reading my chat right now when I do this, but if you are, look how many freaking things it took. Took a lot. Oh my gosh. Like rave / weather clear. I hate that if you're like 2 blocks away, your bed is too far away. 1.5? Nope. You have to literally be 1 block away. It's annoying. Anyways. Concrete. We got the fancy enchanted gold apples, which can't be made. Wither skeleton, which I've never fought. More things, and there's chest under here. Yeah, under here. So, I really want to continue and do new cool stuff. I wanted to add this. We have 3x3 and make an electric door that actually kills people if you touch it. From iStream, I think his name is, which told you guys so I could subscribe to him. And me, please. Please. Oh, keep this secure. Barrier block. Oh, wait, what? Is there a barrier block? Let's see if there's it. Okay. No, but I should grab a barrier. This toy just not a zombie named and then given a wither skeleton with a dispenser. Oh, would you ever think that? It follows you no matter what. Do I hit the commands wrong? I think I have one of the commands. No, no one can see where that is. Totally not just right here. I don't like that, by the way. If I know the problem with the second one. Yes, it's not. We did that this. Should be facing you. Not even for everyone. Wait, what is at P? Slash at P. T give. Wait. So P is closest player. Random player, all player. Yeah, we want to look at the closest player. Why am I forgetting the only commands I wrote? Facing at P. What did I do wrong? Facing. Yeah, weird. Don't know why it's not working. Anyways. By the way, if you didn't know, there is a ginormous spider. We already caught it, but there might be more. So, by the way, if my other viewer, besides my mom, can you wonder, can we play Roblox together or something? Or Minecraft? You could even give me like a shout out. I don't know, something. I'm trying to grow this YouTube channel. My TikTok channel, I'm already growing, but my YouTube channel, which reminds me, how many followers do I have now on TikTok? I'm gonna go check out. By the way, if you do find out what my TikTok channel is, which I'm not gonna tell you guys, it will bring you to my YouTube channel, which you'll find out here. My TikTok right now, last time I checked, is not really that good. Last time I checked, it was at like 26 followers I have. But hey, it's more than YouTube right now. Anyways. Okay, so the camera's working again. Yeah, this camera I was confused about why it wasn't working. This one works. This one I copied off of YouTube, and this one I just did on my own, just like how I did those other ones down there. The second one, I mean, I didn't watch YouTube for any of these. This totally legit. Wait, why? Wait, close again. Why did it do it right here? Did I put my coordinates wrong? Because it shouldn't do it right here. It shouldn't do it right here. Shouldn't do it. Oh, I was accidentally going on the side block. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Identity matched. Anyway, I just wanted to show you around and later if we could like play Roblox. So I do have Roblox. Anyways, this is the end. Hope you like my house. And wait, to end this video, I want to be in the front of the house. Or no, just right here. Just right there. Okay. Bye. Hope you have a good day. And this is the end. I'm trying to end the video, but like, end it like where it's not. Okay, bye.